Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable check spelling on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. You just click here on settings, click on it here. Then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, you just click here on keyboard, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to check spelling here. You click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean check spelling enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.